Hello, welcome back to Smart Technical and Engineering. Today, we're tackling an important HVAC topic: how to select the right fan coil unit, or FCU, for your project or home. Whether you're an engineer, contractor, or building owner, selecting the right FCU is crucial for achieving comfort, efficiency, and cost savings. In this video, we'll break down the step-by-step selection process in simple terms so you can make the right decision every time. Let's dive in. To select the right fan coil unit, FCU, there are three main factors: the space's cooling load, airflow requirements, and the type of piping system. Matching the FCU to these factors ensures efficient and comfortable heating and cooling. Many other factors are also involved in the selection of FCU. They are noise level, installation location, aesthetics, efficiency, compatibility, and maintenance. Firstly, I will break down the three main factors. 1. Cooling capacity, cooling load. This is the amount of heat that needs to be removed from the space to maintain a comfortable temperature. It's typically calculated based on the peak demand, but consider that FCUs often operate at lower speeds. It is important because insufficient cooling capacity is currently one of the most common user complaints. 2. Airflow requirements. This is the volume of air that the FCU needs to move to meet the cooling and heating requirements. This should align with ventilation standards. 3. Type of piping system. There are two types of piping systems to select FCU: the two-pipe system and the four-pipe system. Two-pipe system. This system utilizes a single set of pipes for both heating and cooling, switching between the two as needed. They are generally simpler and more cost-effective, but they can't provide simultaneous heating and cooling in different zones. Four-pipe system. This has separate pipes for hot and cold water, allowing for simultaneous heating and cooling in different zones. They are more complex and expensive but offer more flexibility. After I described three main factors for FCU selection, let me continue to explore many other factors that are also important for the selection of FCU. 1. Noise level. If the FCU is in a quiet area, choose a unit with low noise levels. The acceptable noise level depends on the location and application. For example, bedrooms and libraries, below 35 dBA. Offices, NR 35-38, which translates to approximately 41 to 44 dBA. Noise can be affected by factors like dirty filters, high fan voltage, and other sound sources, fresh air ducts, external noise. NC. Noise criterion. Curves are standardized sets of curves used to assess and rate the background noise levels in indoor environments, particularly with speech intelligibility and overall comfort. dBA. A-weighted decibels are a simpler measurement, but may not fully capture the impact of noise on speech and other sounds. 2. Installation location. Decide whether the unit will be ceiling mounted, wall mounted, or floor standing, and ensure it fits the space. 3. Aesthetics. Consider the unit's appearance and how it will integrate with the interior design. 4. Efficiency. Look for units with high energy efficiency ratings and features that minimize energy consumption. 5. Compatibility. Ensure the FCU is compatible with the existing HVAC system and any relevant building codes. 6. Maintenance. Choose a unit that is easy to access for maintenance and cleaning. So, to summarize, selecting the right fan coil unit involves three main factors and other important factors, and breaking them down. Three main factors are cooling capacity, airflow requirements, and the type of piping system. And many other factors are noise level, installation location, aesthetics, efficiency, compatibility, and maintenance. Get these steps right, and you'll have comfort, efficiency, and long-lasting performance. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more HVAC tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.